Welcome to Shine Automotive.
We are back on with Sam's Astrovan and we're doing some more work to it.
If you know nothing about this channel, we are a car project channel and we have tons of stuff on the channel, so feel free to check it out.
So in the previous episode, what happened was Sam got the seats ripped out at the back of the van, started going through all the bits that were kindly sent out by Car Audio Centre, and started working out where to put the subs, the amps, all them sort of bits in the back. And we are moving on now where we left off, so I'll give you a little bit of the previous episode and we'll get back on with the Car Audio Centre build. It's gonna look wicked.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bond these side parts of wood on with some silver hook. Let's just put it in there now. With some silver hook automotive metal adhesive. So let's get them glued on now. One on that side, one on that side. See what that goes like. Right, we're going to fit the snooper 10.1 inch floating head screen. Let's get it out of the box now. The screen there, which is detachable. First things first, quite a lot of wires, bits and pieces. We need to feed the DAB aerial in, GPS, hands-free. All this wiring loom needs to go in. I've got a few other bits to go as well. Got the actual unit itself. That's what we're going to be fitting first. Plenty of wires and bits and pieces going on here, so let's see how we get on with that. That's a DAB aerial, plenty of length on there, so that goes into the back of the head unit. So I'm going to try and find a space up this side of the windscreen to fit that and route the wiring. Let's get onto that. Just scratch a bit of paint off here to get an earth for the DAB aerial. Probably put the GPS underneath it, clean the glass off, stick that on, and that's that bit done. That's the aerial fitted, all secured on, got its own earth now behind there on the chassis. Fed the wiring down the dash, so we'll do the same with the GPS now. Right, we've got the XT12 subwoofer supplied by Car Audio Centre, so I'm going to get that unboxed now, and I'm going to fit that into the box enclosure that they supply. See if we can get that wired in and see what she sounds like.
Sam had ordered some spacer rings for his speakers for the Car Audio Centre build and haven't turned up, and it wasn't through Car Audio Centre because we can't ask them for it anymore because they have helped us out massively. Just a local supplier that's been messing us around for ages. So I'm just knocking up some spacer rings so he can get his front speakers in his van. That's what I'm doing.
once a little man called Pippi who liked to take lights out of cars because he didn't want to spend £1 on a bulb.
Yeah, this is why the lenses are not in, because the bulbs were robbed.
Well, that looks well. Looks really well. And in the next one, we'll try to do something really tricky with an estate roof lining. Click here to see the previous videos.